afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything, and it is groundbreaking day for the high tunnel. Got the first post set. We got our brother-in-law Joe over here, and they're fixing to get to work. We are staking and measuring out the size of the high tunnel. Again, it's going to be about 20 feet wide and 36 feet long.
Bring it up, or you just leave it down there on the ground?
How far is that string away from that post?
Oh, it's right on it.
Is it on?
Yeah.
All right, Joe.
Good job.
And if you could grab the level too.
All right.
Huh?
It gives you pretty good guide.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Post.
Conventional garden.
Okay, guys, this is what we've roped off for the high tunnel.
A break.
Okay, so we're putting the weed cloth, and we want it to come out a little bit, probably about 2 feet out, and then we'll put it inside the high tunnel.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay guys, the pipes go 3 feet in Okay guys, day 2 of putting up the high tunnel here. My husband and our brother-in-law was able to get, you can see, the first poles up for our first wall. My husband is going to be working on the other side, the north side, today. He's got all of his poles laid out, and you can see here he completed it by the end of the day. Getting really excited, guys. So excited. And tomorrow starts part 2. Thank you for watching. We ask that if you like this video that you hit that like and subscribe button so you can follow us and see how we do this year. Take care. God bless. Have a great weekend.